Moment. U.S. Forrestal C-130 Hercules aircraft carrier landing test. The C-130 Hercules holds the record for the largest and heaviest aircraft to land on an aircraft carrier. In October and November 1963, a USMC KC-130F, BuNo 149,798, bailed to the U.S. Naval Air Test Center, made 21 unarrested landings and takeoffs on the USS Forrestal at a number of different weights. The pilot, LT, later RADM, James Flatley III, USN, was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross for his participation. The tests were highly successful, but the idea was considered too risky for routine carrier onboard delivery (COD) operations. Instead, the C-2 Greyhound was developed as a dedicated COD aircraft. The Hercules used in the test, most recently in service with Marine Aerial Refueler Squadron 352, VMGR 352, until 2005, is now part of the collection of the National Museum of Naval Aviation at NAS Pensacola, Florida. This guy totally missed the idea of the project. It was about transporting a RC-130B to remote areas beyond the range of a land-based Hercules. The smaller, lighter planes are catapulted off and arrested landings, while this much larger and heavier monster took off and landed without such assist. Amazing! They pulled this test run off for the first time, with two inexperienced pilots flying such a craft.